Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning. We will familiarize with a new equipment which is called as paperless course recorder. As you can see, this is the course recorder. Its company is Yokogawa MDR290 single course recorder, single channel. The difference between single channel and dual channel is single channel will give you only course. Dual will give rudder and course. So, general familiarization, menu, next, set, minus plus, switch on, switch off. It will show the status. This is the slot for micro SD card, and this is the stylus pen from which you can write or mark end of watch, commence of sea passage, pilot on board, anything. So we'll start now from here. As you can see, this is same like a mobile. You click on that, touch on that, the screen gets activated. You can see the blue color, the course is getting recorded, and the time marks, timestamps are getting stamped. Course is showing here GPS. That means it is actually getting signal from GPS. When it will not come, a course cross sign will come, UTC, and this N. When it is showing N and this circle is flipping round and round, coming round and round, this means it is normal mode. If I choose fast mode, it will come F and it will go round and round. Here on the right side corner, you will see few menu items. This is lock and hold. You lock it. You can keep it locked like this. Nobody will touch, nothing will happen. Anybody will touch, nothing will happen. That is some like child lock. So it is showing now push, menu, switch. Now it is coming back to normal. This is settings. This is up and down. You can scroll up and down and search how it is. The pencil is for the marking. You can choose whichever color you like, red, blue, black. So I will choose black, and you can mark it like end of watch, UTC, voyage number, as per your company policy, whatever is there, and you put your sign. Generally, it's still in editable mode. If you are not able to read or your writing is not correct, you can delete it again and write it like this again, whatever you want. Delete it again. Once you have confirmed that it's okay, suppose I will put course recorder checked at 0900 UTC. Once I click OK, I cannot change. Again, I have to go this one here. Once I click OK, it is finalized. It will not change. This work will remain same as you have written down by the pen on paper. So the below column, this one is for checking which is the last marked entry. Suppose something has been written and you can click this one, it will show the last. Then again it will show chronologically, it will show the last one, which one is showing. Here you can actually choose which entry you want by the timestamp. If you want some desired entry at this point, if I have made this entry or not, you can search and you can find it out. Like this one, it is showing. If you have to make another entry, just go to home, put here, you can sign again. Same like paper, you can scroll down in paper. If you have not made any entry, you can make it by hand again and roll it down, keep it safe. This is the simple layout of this one. As you can see here, this is settings, tools, this coming here. Settings, you can adjust the brilliance, contrast, day and night, you can choose. It is like this. It is like this on the day. Again, if you will press in tools, you will go to the second menu. It will show you date setting, time setting, date and time adjust by GPS, touch calibration. In touch calibration, you will actually, like a mobile, you have to touch this one, and this one, and this one, calibrated. Now you again, when you come to the setting, this is date and time GPS, you press only this one and it will calibrate automatically. Just click on this one, keep on pressing, it will calibrate automatically. When you go in home page, you will see a timestamp here. That is the correct timestamp here. So you can put a mark here and you can sign if you like. Now again, when you go third time, if you press this tools, You will see the settings here for the gyro, for GPS, feed rate, normal. This is feed rate normal, which I was showing you. I can put it fast if you want. You can put it fast and then save, but I will keep it in normal only because more data will be saved. Here you can see when you click this tools settings third time, you will see the DOS mode here. This is the DOS mode. It is showing what all things are recording. This will be an encrypted data and the JPG images in JPG format. So I'll just come back here. You can see the fourth option is SD. This is the SD card. Every month you have to export SD. This SD card having memory of 2 GB, but the onboard memory of this course recorder is for 30 to 35 days only. After that you have to take export, you have to take backup of this one in this and take it into the computer, make a backup for that. So how you will eject this one? Same like when you click on eject media in computer, you have to click here. Once it is showing cross sign, it is safe to remove. You can take it off. When you put it back again, it will show you plugged in. Status, it is making files count. That is 32 days fast make, normal mode 35 days, fast mode 32 days. Export, if you want to export, you can click here, export. And if all files are exported, then PCR will be automatically restarted. It will export all the files here and it will reset. After exporting, we have to buffer clear. The onboard memory should be cleared for next 32 days. So after exporting, you press buffer clear and OK. Right now, I have done it for the month of December. So that will be OK. For you, I'll do it again. Let's say export. OK. Do not eject until finish exporting. AAA file support is output. That means it is exporting right now. Export was started. So guys, you can see here it has completed its export to the micro SD card, showing AAA output 100% 6x6. JPEG file is output 100% 80x80. Export is finished. Please touch OK button. The PCR is auto resetted. I will touch OK button. It will come into DOS mode and it will be showing all this data and it will be reset. Right now, what you can see here is the backup data, the data which has not been buffered cleared. So what you will do, you will come here monthly, but you have to do it monthly. Buffer clear. Buffer clear means you onboard memory, you have to clear it. You will click here, all files will be removed. New next disk is formatted. Then PCR is auto resetted. Now for that, I'll just take out this SD card and then click buffer clear. Okay. The onboard memory is getting erased, making space for next 32 days, 35 days. Please OK, touch OK button, then PCI is auto resetted. I will just OK, click OK, and onboard memory is finished. Now, right now it is actually cleared up. Onboard memory is cleared up. New file is getting recorded in for next 35 days. So for that, I'll just put a mark here. Course recorder data backed up. Let's put this date and this time. I put my sign and signature. And okay. Now this one we have to take to the computer and take a backup. So guys, I have taken the backup for last few months and you can see I have saved it in this folder. It will come in this format. It will come like in this format. Last is on Jan I have taken. So you can see there are two files, AAA and 00. This AAA is the encrypted file. You cannot view it. You can only view it from the, if you have to send it for some claims or something, you can send it directly to the Yokogawa and they will clear it up, everything. In this, GPS position is also will be there, course recorded will be there, and many other details. Here in 00 file folder, you can see JPG and all this data. You can see all this marked data. Whatever you have made, whatever you have written down, everything. It's same like page, but put in archive. Change the paper, put in archive. But here we are not changing the paper at all. We are taking backup and finish. After that, take the hard micro SD card and put it back inside. Usually in the manual it is given, do not keep this micro SD card inserted always, because of the vibration of ship the inside equipment will fail. So either you make a slot here, put it somewhere here nearby, it will be okay. That's it guys. And for the single channel course recorder, Yokogawa, hope you guys learned something from this video. So thank you.